Hello, what's up guys. In today's video guys, I'll be showing us 10 different apps that will help us make free PayPal money online. Alright, so these 10 different apps I'm gonna show us in this particular video are actually gonna generate us money. Alright, but then we're gonna be able to do a few things with this particular apps I'm gonna show us. Now when we do these tasks, we perform tasks, we carry out tasks, we do writings, we do kind of question and answer thing, and we make money at the end of the day. So basically what we do is that we need to actually carry out tasks on these different apps I'm gonna show us, and we're gonna get paid for doing this tasks. And then know that you're not going to need to pay anything on these apps. It's going to be free apps. All right, and these apps work worldwide. If you're in any part of the world, this app is going to work out for you. Right, if you're in Nigeria, if you're in India, this app is going to work out for you. It works worldwide and it's free. All right, and that's a good thing. And another good thing here is that you don't need to put in much work. You need to do a little bit of work, but then it's not going to be a big work. You're not going to do a lot of work. All right. So I'm actually going to dive into it right now and show us everything that we need to know. But before I do that guys, let me introduce myself. My name is Ebenezer Redling, and one thing I do on this particular channel right here, The Grind Academy, is that I create videos that are centered around making money online. Right, so I go out there, I find things that actually work, and I come back on this particular channel and I share with you guys what works. All right, so that you can actually go out there and put into practice what I've shown you and get the same result, or result that is actually better than what I have here. All right, so this strategy actually works, and guys, I'm gonna walk you through all of it step by step. I'm gonna show you the first one, and I'm gonna show you the second one, and I'm actually gonna show you how to use it. I'm actually going to show you the payment gateway. Now remember, this particular video is going to help you to make free PayPal money, but if you don't have PayPal in your if PayPal doesn't work in your country, I'm actually going to show you other websites, other apps that's actually going to help you to actually make money, and you're going to withdraw money from the website, from the app, through other payments gateway. All right, so without further ado guys, let's go. All right, so the first app right here, we'll come to Google Play. The first app right here is called Userfeel. All right, now on Userfeel, let's just scroll down and see what's it like, what it is like. All right, available test before we start. So you get to, what we do basically on this particular app right here is that you test out apps and see how apps work. People out there who develop apps, but then before they give it to their clients, they would want you to test the app first and see if the app is functional. All right, so they wanted to, they were actually going to give you a task to test a particular app. You download the app, you test it. If it's functional, you tell them. If it's not functional, you tell them, and you get paid. It's that easy. All right, so now let's look at the website. Let's see what is, because the website explains it properly. All right, so look at the website. You can actually go to the website userfeel.com. All right, so when you go to userfeel.com, it says a better user testing tool with no subscription or monthly fees needed. All right, so you actually test people's tools, websites. You don't need to pay to test it, you get paid to test. All right, so I'm going to show us all of this, but then let's scroll down, let's look at the website before we talk more. Right, so you see that this website is actually trusted by more than 500 organizations. All right, and you can see it's doing well. There are a lot of platforms, websites that trust this. All right, so qualified testers and happy clients. All right, so you can actually test products right here, and you make money doing that. Now people actually bring their product to this particular website to get tested, but that's not what we're doing here. So we just come over right here, this page where it says get paid to test. So we'll click on it. Right, we'll click on the page get paid to test, and it's loading right now. All right, so tester training and frequently asked questions. Become a tester of websites and apps and earn $3 to $30 per test. All right, so on this particular website you can actually earn about $3 to $30 just testing apps. All right, that's actually good, right? And it's ridiculously easy to do it, and it says each test lasts 5 to 60 minutes and is completed with your computer, tablet or smartphone. Most tests are 20 minutes where you earn $10. All right, and you know what you get paid per hour, $10 per hour, $11 per hour, and on this particular app per hour you can actually earn more than $30. All right, because if you have 20 minutes here and you earn $10 per 20 minutes, that means you can actually earn $20 per 40 minutes, and in 60 minutes you're earning $30. Right, so it's that simple, and you can actually make a lot of money doing this. All right, you will get paid if you don't watch this training. You will not get paid if you don't watch this training video and read the frequently asked questions and answers below. So before you start testing apps, make sure you go through their training so that you become eligible to get to earn. Alright, what usability testers do, you can actually go on with what you're going to do on this particular website, but basically what you're doing is that you are actually going to be testing apps, recording videos of how it works, what doesn't work, and upload it, and you get paid. Alright, so it's that simple. Now this is the first app right here. Don't forget, it's userfeel.com. Go through it, or you can actually download the app directly from Play Store. You can actually go to Play Store and download, and make sure to download the app. Alright, that's the first app right now. We're actually going to go to the next app. Alright, now if you're getting value from this video, be sure to hit the subscribe button and also click on the bell notification icon so that next time I upload a new video on how to make money online, guys, you get notified. Alright, so let's go to the next website right here. The next app, now this is actually, we've talked about this, so we're going to remove this. And the next one right here is actually Inbox Dollars. You get that? Inbox Dollars is actually a survey website, a survey app or website where you can actually go and complete surveys, and you actually get paid. Alright, so about this app, it says earn cash and get paid for your everyday online activities with Inbox Dollars. It's free and it's easy to join. Now, one good thing about this particular website, okay, let me reserve it till I get to the website. Alright, so let's get to the website and let's see what the website looks like. Alright, so come over to the website. It says be rewarded for taking surveys, shopping and cash offers, playing games. So on this particular website, you get paid by taking surveys, shopping and cash offers, and playing games. Alright, so this is what I reserved for you guys right here. It is free to get into this particular website or app, and when you get in for sign up, you're going to earn $5 bonus. It's that simple. You sign up, you get $5 bonus for signing up, and when you've completed offers and you've earned about $5 extra, that is when you become eligible to withdraw. Right, so you don't just earn $5 and withdraw, but when you earn $5, you complete offers, you become eligible to withdraw. That is $10 withdrawal. That's minimum withdrawal is $10. Alright, so it's that easy. Put in your email address, put in your password, confirm your password, and click on I agree to terms of use and privacy. And when you click on that, you click on the sign me up, and you're gonna get signed up. So basically, how does it work? Before you sign up, you want to know, right? Brands pay us for consumer input. So brands come to this particular website and they pay them to actually get the opinion on a particular thing, a particular product, a particular design or something. And what they do is that they recruit members like us who are going to come on this particular website and actually complete these offers, these surveys, and actually make money. You do online activities, paid surveys, cashback shopping, trying new apps, exploring new products and services, playing games, and more. And when you do that, you earn real cash, not points. That's a good thing, right? You're actually not going to just earn points, which is going to be converted to cash, but you're going to earn cash directly. It's very good. It's very good. So you can actually go through the website and see a lot of things in the website. And this website is trusted because they've paid over 8 million in cash. They paid over 8 million in cash. And talking about being trusted, they're trusted on Autopilot. They have about 33,060 reviews on Autopilot, and you can actually look at people's review there. It says extremely nice and easy. Cash out was fast. The process is much more streamlined and expedited than he or she ever thought. Alright, it was done seamlessly. Now this is actually easy to use, and it's actually gonna help you earn free PayPal money quickly. Alright, so right now we're gonna go to the next app right now. Now the next app right now is this one here, which is actually the third app right here, is Swagbucks. So I'm gonna remove this Inbox Dollar right now. Is Swagbucks. Now I've talked about Swagbucks in my previous videos, and I always talk about Swagbucks because it's actually good. All right, you can actually make a lot of money with Swagbucks if you know what you're doing. All right, so now let me lead us through. Let me show us how it is like. We've not heard of Swagbucks before. Now about this app, earn free gift cards and make cash by using the Swagbucks app when you take surveys on the go. Right, so when you take surveys, you actually earn money by taking surveys. All right, now join Swagbucks today and get a $10 welcome bonus. All right, I just showed you Inbox Dollar that gives you $5 welcome bonus, and right now I'm showing you another one that gives you a higher money when you join. All right, so this is gonna give you $10 welcome bonus, and you're eligible to withdraw that $10. It's that easy, it's that simple, and it's that good. All right, so this is another way for you to actually make money online. All right, so let's look at the website and let's look at how the website is. Put cash back in your wallet. Put back cash whatever it is, put cash back in your wallet, and just for free, put your email address, put in your password, and confirm your password, and click on I have a sign up code. No, you don't have a sign up code. Just click on sign up, and as that. So you can see that this particular website is trusted on BuzzFeed, Save the Student, Penny Hoarder, ABC, and the Huffington Post. All right. So if we scroll up right here, we say get free cards and cash for the everyday things you do online. All right. Now, what this particular website is going to do is that's actually what's the difference between this particular website and Inbox Dollars. Now on this particular website, you're actually going to earn points and not cash, but on Inbox Dollars you can actually earn cash. All right, but this one you earn points, and these points are actually converted to either gift cards or PayPal money. So you choose what you want to convert it to. You want to convert it to a PayPal money, or you want to convert it to cash gifts, free gift cards. All right, so that's it. And this free gift card, you can actually sell them online, and yeah. So they have paid actually this amount of money to their members. And look at someone's testimony. It says, my most rewarding moments with Swagbucks is using the gift cards I earn to buy gifts for my child's Christmas and February birthday gift. All right, so you can actually earn money and do with it whatever you want. All right, so now I'm actually going to come over right here and close these ones right here. We're done with Swagbucks. Now the next one right here, which we're looking at, is Premise. Is actually Premise. I'm actually rushing this because I don't want to take much of your time. I actually want to offer you value within the shortest period of time. All right, so this one right here, it's called Premise. It's good and it's easy to use. Turn your point of view into a payday. All right, so you actually come up on this particular app right here. Share your opinion and actually make money. All right, share discovery, stakes, surveys, and cash. Simple to get started, quick to cash out. Join a new generation in data aggregation. Turn your point of view into a payday. All right, so I can actually go to this particular website or app and actually download it. Right, so just come over right here and scroll the way up now and click on install. You download it. When you download it, you start making money. It's that easy. Now I'm gonna rush over to the next one. Now the next one right here is called QMEE. Share opinion and shop to earn real cash rewards. Earn cash, not swag, not points. All right, so you can actually go over to this particular website right here or this particular app, and you actually carry out surveys and you make money. So this is basically how it works. You carry out surveys, you get cash, and you withdraw. It's that simple. All right, and that is it for this one right now. So you can see it's actually rated very. It's actually rated. It's good. It's rated high on Trustpilot. All right, so that's it for this. It's QMEE.com, or you can actually get that on your Google Play Store or your Apple Play Store. Right, so now let's go to the next one right here. And the next one right here is actually Groove. Now I'm going to show you the difference between these and the rest of them that I've shown you. You can actually make more money in different ways with this one. All right, so you come over to this one. The website is Killy.io/download. Be sure to write that in your search box here. Killy is KILLI.io/downloads/. Click on enter and you get to this particular website, because it's actually, I think I actually have Killy.io has actually moved from Killy.io to reclaim yours now, but you want to go to Killy.io to make this money. All right, so go to Killy.io/download and hit the search button and you're gonna get redirected. So when it comes to Killy, go over right here, we'll have N. That's the most important thing. That's what we want to do right here. Killy Paycheck. You want to see people who have actually gotten paid. Location rewards. Refer a friend. Killy pools. Now you can actually perform surveys on this particular app and make money. But what if I told you there's another way to make money? Now the easiest way to make money online is actually with people. All right. So if you are able to refer your friends to this particular website, you can actually make more money. So basically, what you should do is refer more people to this particular website and make more money. Refer people, complete your survey, and refer people, and you're gonna earn more money. Now, when you refer people, your person you're referred is actually gonna make money, and you who is a referrer is actually gonna make more money. All right. So that is it for Killy. Now the next one here is Street Bees. All right. Now on this particular it actually has some similarity with Honeygain, but then it's called Street Bees. So you can go to streetbees.com and actually get to know more about this particular app. But then how does it work? All right. Now you get paid to chat. You can actually chat and make money. You get paid to chat, and you get paid to complete surveys, and your data is also collected and you still get paid. So every day you can actually earn even while you're sleeping with street bees. All right, so that's it. Right, that is it for this one. We're actually go to the next one, which is second to the last one, before I end up this session. All right, let me check if this is actually recording. All right, so I'm just gonna pull up this right here, and yeah, it's actually recording. All right, so I'm gonna get this down. All right, so this one right here, it's called Zap. All right, and Zap is actually one of the best, if not the best. Is it all right? When it has to do with surveys and payments. So on Zap here, you can actually get paid when someone, all right, the language right here, it's not English, so I can just read it right here. Alright, so what you do right here is you can actually complete surveys, do more, complete surveys, make videos, submit it, and upon submission you earn money. Alright, so you complete surveys, you submit the surveys, and upon completion you get money from the surveys you've submitted, from the videos you've recorded and uploaded, from the pictures you've taken. Alright, it's way more bigger than what you think, but Zap is the real deal. Alright, so I'm actually going to go over to the last one, but before I go over to the last one, if you've gotten value so far from what I've shown you so far on this particular channel, why not be sure to hit the subscribe button and also turn on the bell notification icon, so that next time I upload a new video on how to make money online, you get notified. Alright, so basically what I do on this particular channel is I share videos and send around making money online. But then this particular strategy I'm sharing with you guys right now is actually going to help you to make money online, but it's not going to help you to make a lot of money. So if you want to actually know ways to make money online, a lot of money online, be sure to hit the subscribe button, because henceforth guys, when I'm done showing you guys how to make a little amount of money that's going to help you to for your business or your online business, I'm actually then going to show you how to do the real deal, which is actually going to take a long time, but then it's going to pay you forever. All right, so right now let's get to the last one. All right, so the last one right here is my point. All right, it's my point. All right, so on my point, it says earn points by shopping at your favorite stores. So whenever you get to a particular store and you shop with my points, you earn money. All right, and you earn 40% back with every purchase at 2,000 top retailers like Walmart, Best Buy, Home Depot, and Amazon. All right, so you can actually earn money by just shopping. So why will you go out there and spend money for no reason when you can actually spend money and still earn a percentage from what you've spent? All right, and upon you joining this particular website, you earn $10 as a welcome bonus, and you can actually withdraw it via your Visa gift card or Amazon gift card. Choose any one you want, but then put on your email, your password, and click on I agree to terms of use and privacy policy. Click on join now, and then you join. It's that simple. So remember all these particular websites and apps I've shown you guys, they're actually going to help you to make money online. My points work at your favorite stores. All right, your favorite stores are Amazon and Walmart and Best Buy, Home Depot, and the rest of them. So just go there and buy with my points and money. Right, it's that simple. Right, so guys, without further ado guys, now I'm gonna allow you to put into practice what I've shown you here, and it's actually gonna be a piece out from me. And yeah, I'm gonna see you guys in my next video where I'm actually gonna deliver another set of value to you guys. All right, so right now it's a peace out.